My name is Simant. I'm a part of your wealthy family, and I am into food business, and this is how I earn my bread and butter. I did manage to lose some weight, and it's been a journey for me. It's been a very wonderful journey for me, and my friends, my family, the wealthy family, they all have helped me a lot. In 2016, I had some skin rashes, some problems, and my cousin, Dr. Mukund, he is a doctor, and he advised me to get my sugar level checked. That was a time when I came to know about diabetes. Okay, I have diabetes. There were two moments. One, I went to a shop, in a clothes shop, shopping for my clothes with my wife. My waist was 42. I was not able to find a jeans for myself. Okay, and that day, the guy at the counter, I went to Pantaloons in Ranchi, and the guy at the counter said, "Sir, यही एक पीस बचा है, आपको लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो जाओ, हमारे पास इस साइज का है ही नहीं." That day I realized I've become so fat, I've gained so much weight that shopping for me is going to be a tedious job. I will not be able to find clothes for me. And couple of days, that was a day when I was really motivated. But that was a time when I was like, that was time of COVID also, you cannot go out and things like that. But still I had a treadmill at home. But say a couple of days later, I was infected. I was diagnosed with coronavirus. And during that time, I realized I was in such a bad shape that it really took a toll on me. And even doctor said that since you had your sugar level was so high that to revive you, it has been a tough job. 6 to 8 days, and it was a time when I gave up the hope that I'm going to come out of the hospital alive. And when I came home, I was barely able to walk. And my mom was sick. She was just lying next to me, and I told my mother that today is the day I'm going to start my walk, and I will never ever give up on it. For me, there was a search that what extra from exercises, from these daily routines, because I was not going to do any gym exercise. I'm not that kind of guy, neither I had that kind of time, because I have a very busy schedule, like,
Right.
from 6 to 10:30, you are busy. So that time I used to Google for food habits and all what needs to be done. And then I bought this AccuCheck strips for sugar. And then in that pack, I had this Wealthy app link for a month. So I installed it, and it was just like, चलो इसको भी try करके देखते हैं क्या अलग है. So my first health coach, I spoke to her and I told her about my problems. I told her that I think I have something in my mind. I've got an eating disorder. I'm very fond of chocolates. I'm very fond of biscuit cookies, and those namkeen, Haldiram namkeens. I'm a kind of person who, if he opens a pack, he's going to finish it. And it doesn't matter if it's a big pack, small pack. I'll keep eating unless until it is finished. So she told me that, you know what, you really need to check on your food habit. I told her that I'm walking so much and this and that. I told her my everyday routine. So she told me that everything you lose, by end of the day, you're gaining it. You're going to find it again because you are eating in such a manner. And she provided me with recipes, very simple recipes, I remember. And then that was a time when I changed my food habit completely. I was really eating healthy food. I was taking soups, I was taking salads, I was taking sprouts, and still there was taste in that. I was not missing my taste because I was following all the recipes sent by her. So in first 2 weeks only, I was able to see that while I was walking and losing say 2 to 3 kilo in a week, it doubled out because I was eating healthy also.
Right.
So that is a place when healthy family came in and came into my support, and it really helped me out. And I guess from that day till today, I my weight went down till 77. There was a point I was 77 kilo. Big thanks to Aquacheck, especially Ashwini and my other health coach, is to keep the taste in my life. I'm a big foodie. Okay, so a big thank you to all you guys. And there was a time when I was checking my sugar level every day. In the morning, I used to wake up and check my sugar level, and it was so exciting to see that it is in between 90 to 100 every time. Even if I'm eating sweets, I was eating gulab jamun and this and that, like two to three gulab jamuns at night, and then I was like, okay, the morning when I wake up, what is going to be my sugar level? And it was in 95 90s and things like that. And this happened because I was actually working out, I was burning calories, and I was also eating healthy. When I started to consult with my health coach on your Wealthy app, I told them about my problems. I told them that I am able to do the routine exercise and everything, but the major issue that I have is with my food, my eating habits. I'm not able to eat healthy, and I want something that is going to help, that is going to keep my stomach full, because I always feel hungry. So I need something that should stay in my stomach and should not come over my weight, just stay in my stomach. That was one point where Healthy app gave me the solution that I was actually looking for. Second, you have got an app in which you can store your blood sugar, your blood pressure, everything, and you can check it anytime you want. You can see the progress. So for people who think they want to see a change in a week or so, I would say if you have this app, if you have the blood sugar monitor, and if you are diabetic, try to see your sugar level and keep a track of it in your app. You might not see a drastic weight loss in a week, but you will see the changes in the app, because your sugar level will come in control, and it will come in control in a day or two only. Because the moment you change your eating habit, it will change. It will change definitely. There are so many times when you feel like abhi nahi hoga. I guess every time I used to feel like that. I don't know how, but I used to get a call from your coach Ashwini and all, at sir, ye khaya kya, ye aapne kiya, how are you feeling today, and that. Maybe that was a time when again I was motivated. I was checked by someone